Hello everyone, this is MUHAMMAD SAJJAD from Vision Language Center. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn about can. Can is used for abilities, possibilities or request. So first of all, we will talk about request. How to use request. For example, if you want to use someone's mobile phone and you want to take permission from him or her, so how you will ask? You will say that, hey, can I use your cell phone, or can I take your mobile phone? If you want to have someone's pen, so you will say that, can I take your pen, can I take your book, can I go outside, can I sit here? So we can use can for asking permission. Let's go for another example. I can do my work in evening because I have nothing to do. Now it's possible to do my work in the evening because I have no work for doing. Now let's talk about possibilities. We use can to express possibilities or to question possibilities. For example, we can go to Dubai in June because both of us have a week of work. It's possible for us to go Dubai because we don't have to work in June. Now let's talk about ability. We use can to talk about ability to do something in the present. For example, I can sing a song. It means that I'm able to sing a song. I know how to sing a song. Let's make some another examples. For example, I can make biryani. I can make biryani. It means that I know how to make biryani. I can play cricket. I can speak English. I can speak Chinese. So you can make your examples. And if you want to make negative sentences of can, so you will use not after can. For example, I can play cricket. Now, how to say in negative? You will say that I cannot speak English. I cannot drive a car. I cannot play cricket. So to make sentences in can, first of all, you will use subject. What are the subjects? Subjects are I, you, we, they, he, she, it, or any name. Then you will use can, then you will use first form of the verb, then object. For example, I, this is called a subject. Then you will say can, I can, then you will use verb. For example, speak, I can speak. Now I, what I can speak? I can speak English. English is an object and speak is a verb. Then of can, the before can is a subject. And to ask questions we will use can in the starting, then we will use subject. For example, I was saying I can speak English. I can. Now I will say can I, can you, can he, or can she? Can she speak English? Now how to give answers? You will say that yes she can, no she can't. Yes she can speak English, no she cannot speak English. Can you play cricket? Yes, I can play cricket. No, I can't. So thank you so much for today. Now keep practicing and keep speaking English.